Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to see best MongoDB tutorial and courses. MongoDB is an open source document based database management system. It is highly scalable, flexible, distributed non-SQL database. MongoDB is written in C++ and developed by MongoDB Inc. MongoDB is also a cross-platform DBMS currently supporting Windows, Mac, Solaris and various Linux distribution. So in this video we are going to see top 5 MongoDB tutorial and courses which will help you in your MongoDB learning. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, and let's get into this video. The first course that I'm going to suggest is Introduction to MongoDB. The course provider is Coursera. Almost 43,072 users has already enrolled in this course. The course is 100% online course. It will take approximately 17 hours to complete. The language is English. You will get certification. You will create a project. In this course you will learn MongoDB, including MongoDB document or data model, importing data into a cluster, working with CRUD API and aggregation framework. If you want to see the syllabus, then you can see the syllabus, that the 3-week syllabus, and when you click on see all, you will get all the details, like which topic will you cover in this tutorial or course. So I will suggest you to go through this course. If you just started learning MongoDB, this is the best course for you. If you want the link of this course, I will put the link in the description box below. You will create a project, you will get a certification. So it's a wonderful course to enroll. I will suggest to go to it once. The second course I am going to suggest is Introduction to MongoDB. The course provider is Pluralsight. The level is intermediate level. The last update on course in 2013. The duration is 2 hours 27 minutes. This MongoDB course will teach you how to get MongoDB running, manipulate and query data, index for speed, and arm you with essential skills required to start your Mongo. It is also a basic level course that I will suggest. It will give you certification, but you will not create a project in this. If you want to create project, then this course is not for you. You will get a certification, you will get a basic knowledge how to run MongoDB, how to work with non-SQL database, and if you want a free certification, then you can enroll to Pluralsight 10 days free trial, where you can learn whole course under 10 days and then unsubscribe to Pluralsight, and in this way you will get a free certification. If you want the link of this course, I will put the link in the description box below. The third course that I am going to suggest is the Complete Developer Guide to MongoDB. The course provider is Udemy. This is the bestseller course provided by Udemy. The last update on this course in March 2021. Almost 41,365 students has already enrolled in this course. Through this course, you will understand how MongoDB stores data, write efficient query for reading data. You will design efficient non-SQL schemas with both data and nesting lookup. You will gain mastery on most popular MongoDB interface and Mongoose.js, and you will learn the purpose of each Mongoose function. It is overall 13.5 hours of on-demand videos, 2 articles, full lifetime access. You can access on mobile and TV, and you will get a certification after completion. The current course price is $455, but it will change depend upon the Udemy's policies. In this course, you will gain knowledge about the MongoDB, and you will get certification. You will create a project. If you want to see the syllabus of the course, then you can see the syllabus over here. You can see that core fundamental of MongoDB, a test driven experience, MongoDB operator, relational database, thinking about the schema design, and many more topics. So I will suggest you, if you want to learn MongoDB basic and intermediate and you want to create a project, then this course is for you. It will give you 13.5 hours of on-demand videos, and it is just a wonderful course. If you want the link of this course, I will put the link in the description box below. The fourth course that I am going to suggest is MongoDB certification training course. Is a type of training provided by Simplilearn. Almost 13,282 learners has already enrolled in this training program. Through this course, you will skill covers of Java, Node.js, CRUD operation of MongoDB, and replication and sharding. It will give you 49 hours of applied learning, 3 industry-based projects. You will create 6 hand-on lab exercise and 60 demos explaining key concept. It is a 100% money-back guarantee program. This is the cost of self-paced learning is 19,000, and the cost of online bootcamp is 21,000. You can see the course over here, where you will get introduction to non-SQL. You will learn CRUD operation, indexing, sharding, replication and sharding, and many more things. So it is an online training program where you can ask your doubt with educator or instructor face to face. You will create a project, you will get a certification. So if you want the link of this course, I will put the link in the description box below. The fifth course that I am going to suggest is MongoDB Tutorial. The course provider is Tutorials Point. It is a free course. You will not get certification, you will not create a project, but it will clear your concept, each and every concept of MongoDB. And on the left side you can see that each and every topic of MongoDB is covered by Tutorials Point. You can go to any of the topic and click on any of the topic over here and can read about the topic. The topic are covered as data modeling, create database, drop database, create collection, how to insert document, delete document, update document, how to limit, sort, indexing, aggregation, replication, sharding, deployment, how MongoDB with Java, MongoDB with PHP. Each and every concept of MongoDB is covered in this tutorial. So I will suggest to go through this tutorial at least once. It will give you immense amount of knowledge regarding a MongoDB, and it is of course a free tutorial. If you want certification, if you want to create project, then this tutorial is not for you. If you want the link of this tutorial, then I will put the link of this tutorial in the description box below. You can check it out. So yeah, these are the 5 MongoDB courses that I'm going to suggest to go through it once. If you want link of this article, I will put the link of this article in the description box below. If you want the link of all the 5 courses, I will put the link of all the 5 courses in the description box below. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thoughts, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video with your friends, please share this video with your friends, everyone who wants to learn MongoDB or non-SQL database. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in next video.